The Beetles Gel Polish 6 Colors Jelly Gel Nail Polish Set is an exquisite collection designed for the ultimate nail art experience, making it an ideal Valentine's gift for girls and women alike. This set features a diverse range of stunning shades, including milky white, sheer pink, nude brown, and transparent hues. This dynamic duo provides a durable foundation and glossy top coat for UV light-cured nail polishes. The no-wipe formula eliminates the need for additional steps, ensuring a convenient and efficient application process. The 16 ml size offers ample product for multiple uses, making it a practical choice for regular manicures. Gaywa's innovative combination enhances the longevity of your nail polish, creating a high-shine, glassy effect that adds a professional touch to your DIY or salon-perfect nails. Elevate your nail routine with this premium set. Beetles Red Gel Nail Polish Set Bloody Mary Collection offers a stunning array of 6 shimmering red and burgundy hues, perfect for creating captivating nail art designs. This popular gel polish kit, compatible with both UV and LED lamps, ensures a long-lasting, salon-quality manicure. The soak-off formula facilitates easy removal, making it ideal for DIY home manicures. The rich and vibrant shades in the manicure set are specially curated for the Valentine's season, making it a thoughtful and stylish gift option. Elevate your nail game with Beetle's high-quality, on-trend colors that exude romance and sophistication for a dazzling Valentine's Day look.
Subscribe for more.